hands-on deep learning. Example 5. So here we have taken an example of 7 layers. We can also call it as a multi-layer perceptron. Okay. So we know this output y is computed as wx plus b. X is the input, W is the weights, B is the bias. Okay. Now weights and bias are just a neural network parameters that simplify machine learning data identification. There is no bias term here. So we will just multiply this weights with this input function. So multiply this 3, 4, 5 with the 0, 0, 1. We get this output like 5. So similarly we will multiply this 3, 4, 5 with the second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. So we get this output like this. Now this output or the hidden layer shall be considered as an input to the next weight. So we will consider this 5, 4, 3, 7, 9, multiply this with 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. We get the output like this. So now this 6, 2, 1, 7. So multiply this with this 6, 1, multiply this with the 1, 1. We get the output like 7. So now in next case we know that there is no negative term, so it shall be considered like 0. In the next time we will take this 7, 5, 8, multiply this with 1 minus 1, 0. We get the output like 2. Similarly we will calculate it for the other rows and columns. So here we will take this 2 and 3. Now multiply this 2, 3 with a 0, 1. We get the output like this 3. And then we will take this as an input to the next weight. So take this 3 and 2. Multiply this with a 1 and minus 1. We get the output like this 1. So similarly we get this output like 1, 5, 5, 2, 5. The multiply this 1, 5 with the 1 and minus 1. We get the output like minus 4. Okay. So this is way we calculate this. Okay.